morning, my bestie. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are fine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Today's video will be doing okpa. So now you can see, guys, okpa is a good food in every country. So it's a good food in Nigeria, especially Enugu State. This is up the Enugu State because I'm from Enugu State. So I have bring out my okpa. After I bring it, I pour my red oil inside, and I see that the oil is not enough. I decided to put another one. So when it comes to Enugu okpa, you have to put your oil. You have to be generous with your oil. If you don't have oil, don't cook okpa, because okpa like if you not put enough oil in your okpa, it will not look good and it will not be sweet. You know, when it comes to okpa, the only major thing they will put in your okpa is red oil and your salt, nothing much. Unless you want to put another spicy something, pepper and also that seed. But for my own, I just add only pepper. You can see how I'm doing it. You have to turn it. Yeah, the okpa is coming out. See how I have turned it, and it have been red, like it have been sweetened in the eyes. Turning okpa is not easy, but it's easy when you are from Enugu, when you are from the place that do okpa, like in Soka, Enugu, Abugo, all these places that do okpa, that the okpa is from their side. But other people that is not from all this place that I mentioned, it's very hard for them to do okpa. But okpa is a good thing. You can use it for your breakfast, you can do it for your dinner, you can use pap or custard to eat your delicious okpa. Okpa is a good food. I don't know, this okpa, whenever I cook it in my house, nothing else again that we eat throughout the day. We'll be eating it as if you can eat it with your Pepsi, your soft drink, your Fanta, your Sprite. It's very, very good. You can see over here that I've already finished turning it. I have turned it. Is like there is no anything that you will see it again. You will not see the seed again. Like I've turned it. It's not normal any lump inside. You have to turn your very well and make sure there's not any lump inside. You can see I've added my pepper. I love pepper. That is why I add pepper in my own okpa. But the major thing is just salt and your red oil and your okpa. You have seen I've added everything. I will test it if there is salt inside. I will add my salt. Make sure the salt come out, because not too much salt, but you know how you put your salt in your food. So this is me adding my salt. I will turn it and make sure and test it and check if the salt is okay. If the salt is not okay, I'll add another salt. That is how to cook okpa. It's very, very easy. So if you don't know how to prepare okpa, watch this video until you learn it. It's very, very good in children's body. Children love okpa so much. When I say children love okpa, my sister, my brother, children love, there is this love in eating okpa. So I've finished adding my salt, and I check it again, and I saw that there's no salt. The salt is not coming out. I have to add another a little bit small salt in it. So this is me turning it very well so that the salt will not stay one side. I've tested it, and I saw that the remaining small salt, so I'll be adding a little bit salt in it. It's very, very important. It's very, very important to add salt to taste. I have added a little bit salt inside. Let me turn it very, very well so that the salt will go round. After I add everything and I see that my salt have go round, the next thing to tie your okpa, you have to tie it to look for something, and you use for a little bit cup. You can see the cup I blowing out, so I'll use it to scoop the okpa to in my nylon. So this is me using my cup to turn it again. I want to make sure that everything marry themselves very well. It's very, very important. So okpa is a very, very sweety something. It's a very good breakfast, dinner, lunch. Like you can eat okpa anytime you see yourself. Like this one that we normally buy in the market in the afternoon. They call it okpa afternoon. So we eat it with our soft drink, Pepsi and everything. See me now, I'm trying to tie my okpa. You can tie it by yourself without any help. So before you say, who is going to hold the nylon for me? You can do it, you can do it by yourself. You can do it by yourself. Just look at how I'm doing it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Abeg go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me. Please, if it's any video that you would like me to do, please drop it in the comment section and I will get you back. I will get it. Please don't forget to tell me where you are watching this beautiful video from. Thank you so much, my beautiful, amazing family. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always coming back. For my returning subscribers, may God bless you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Guys, so this is how I'm doing my okpa. You can see I'm tying it. So this is how I'll be tying it until I finish tying all of them. After I finish tying all of them now, the next thing to put it in the pot. But first of all, you have to add your pot inside the fire, pour it enough water and allow it to boil before you put your okpa. If you do not allow your water to boil before you put your okpa, it may go another way. It may do somehow. So you have to boil water or lady in your pot before you finish tying it. Your water will be ready to add your okpa inside. So this is how I finish tying everything. You see, you have to double your waterproof so it will not tear inside the pot and spoiled. You see, I tie my own with 2 nylon so that it will not break and enter inside the pot. So everything will just spoiled. All the things you do will just come in vain. So I would not like you to explain that kind of thing. So you have to tie with 2 nylon. That is how I'm doing my own, because I don't want the story that touches the heart. That is the reason I do all these things. So guys, this is me. I'm still tying my okpa gentle so that everything will come out good, because that is the most important thing. After all this effort, you make sure that everything come out good and delicious smell. So that is it. This is the last one I will tie. After I tie this one, see my okpa have come out. So the next thing is to head to my pot. The pot I have already boiled water inside. You see how delicious it look in the eyes. So let's go and add it in our pot now. So this is my pot and my hot water. This water have been boiling for a long time now. So the next thing to shake this, the nylon that I've put my okpa, I will shake it very well and add it in my pot. I've been shaking it. So I have to show you guys so you guys can see what I'm shaking. You have to shake it very well so that everything will melt, because so that the pepper will not stay one side. So that is me doing it. You see how I'm doing my okpa. So this is the all okpa I've got. So let me just close it and allow it to cook. So this is me checking the okpa. See the okpa. See the delicious okpa, guys. The okpa is yummy. Like, this is me. The okpa is done here. I said let me just bring out one and check if it's done. Guys. Yes, it's very necessary. So for you, if you have not been cooking okpa for the first time, you have to bring one out and check it. So this is me checking one. I just bring the smallest one inside to use it and check my delicious meal. And this okpa come out good. Like, this okpa was so yummy. Everybody that I gave this okpa was saying, you can cook it. Like, it's very delicious. Not because it's me that cook it, but everybody say that it's good. The people that eat it say that, wow, it's very delicious. And my food is always delicious. I say it's God though. It's God though. Like, my husband was so happy. It was so, because since I've been cooking up, but he have not been around. But today that is Saturday, he's allowed to eat and enjoy with his pap. Like, we use pap to enjoy this one. So the remaining one that will be enjoying in the afternoon will be using soft drink. We'll be using soft drink to eat the remaining small one that remains in the pot. So guys, this is the end of the video. You can see the okpa is done here. I have tested and it have given me 10/10, 100/100. This is 100/100, not 10/10, because this okpa is too yummy to give 10/10. It's 100/100. It's 100/100. So that is it, guys, for this video. Love you so much. Love you so much. Thanks for watching. This is the remaining okpa. See it. So bye. Love you.